What about this event? What's happening? Is it going to be good? Yes, it's really happening. FPV Drone Fest 2021, and it's not far away. 11th and 12th of September are the days of the event. We're going to open the doors on the Friday, the 10th of September at 6 p.m. so that people who are traveling will be able to set up their tent or their caravan and be all set for the Saturday. The location is the Powerhouse, in other words, Clipston Colliery, which is in Mansfield, Nottingham. It's about as central as you can get in the UK, so it's probably the most convenient for the most amount of people. Tickets are going to be live at 10 a.m. on Saturday the 31st of July. There's only 100 pilot tickets, so if you're watching this video soon after it came out, you've got a good chance to get one. Just check the description and click the link. Otherwise, I hope there's some left. I'd love to see you there, but we did have to cap it at that number. We were going to actually cap the pilot tickets even less, just 50, but based on the size of the site and the fact it's a 2-day event and some extra information we got about flight lines and video channels, we're confident we can do 100 pilots and everybody will still be able to fly. There's going to be more than 100 people at the event because it's going to be open to spectators as well, and those tickets are going to be a lot cheaper. But what about this event? What's happening? Is it going to be good? Let me manage your expectations a little bit first, and then we'll get really excited about all the stuff that's going to go on. I want you to know really that the main thing you're paying for is access to the site, being able to fly an absolutely stunning abandoned colliery with these huge metal headstocks, some indoor locations, some grassy areas, there's some soft areas if you're not up to all the hard stuff. There's going to be a racetrack there, and there's going to be, you know, just fun flying with other FPV enthusiasts, and also including camping, so we can stay over, bring some beers, bring some food. But on top of that, we're going to do everything we can to make this event incredible. Already this thing is getting big. It's me and my friend Peter Swiss who are organising it, and we're kind of getting as many of our friends and family involved as possible to help us out. We're borrowing things, we're buying things, we're planning things. We have a plan to basically get big screens so that you can watch the drone flying. I already have a smart controller. I've confirmed access to more than one of those as well. So we're going to be able to get people to spectate the flying. There is going to be a best trick competition for freestyle, and who better to judge that than the man himself, Tom Jackson, Sync FPV. He is going to be at the event and he's offered to judge the best trick competition. So that's going to be great fun. We also have some artists confirmed that we can fly around, and we're going to maybe do a cinematic competition. The best shot wins the art. We've got some airsoft guys coming to show us off all their equipment and give away an airsoft experience. We're going to have some outdoor games. The food won't be included, but there'll be probably, well, hopefully like pizza or burger trucks, ice cream vans, things like that. Depends how big the event gets. But bring some food anyway, because there probably won't be catering to kind of feed you for the entire weekend. The location is pretty convenient though. There is a McDonald's just nearby and there's shops and things like that. So come prepared, bring all your drone batteries, get ready for an epic weekend. About drone batteries, you should know that we have been given permission to use the power outlet so that we can charge. I don't know how many charging points we're going to have. We've got a bit of a recon mission next week so we can find out more. Access to the roofs and things like that seems pretty good. Again, something we're going to confirm with the recon mission next week. So, you know, we're kind of all set for this event to be absolutely incredible. It's only about 6 weeks away. We've got an LED racetrack for the Tiny Whoops confirmed. We have access to that. And I think I already said this, but we have a racetrack for the field as well. It's going to be mainly a freestyle event, but you can come along and have a go on those tracks. And we may do like a racing exhibition at some point, or maybe even a little competition, but no serious racing because it's just too long and too serious. This is all about just having a laugh, meeting other FPV people with kind of a festival vibe. So all the information is going to be in the description below. I'll try and keep you updated as this thing kind of evolves. I really hope you can get a ticket. I'm going to be giving away a ticket as a competition prize. And speaking of that, I need to announce the winner of the competition from the last video. If I just load the YouTube video in like this and click get YouTube comments, you can see there were 72 comments altogether. Not that many, so you've got a really good chance of winning my competitions. It's not 1 in a million, it's not even 1 in 1,000. 1 in 72. So here we go. We've got all the names flashing through, and wow, Josh. Unbelievable. Josh says, defo going to need another GoPro after a weekend here. Yeah, you might, but there are some soft areas to fly as well. But I hope you get some epic footage, Josh, at the weekend. Josh is coming, and the reason I know that is because he's actually a friend of mine. But this was a complete random pick, as you can see. And, you know, my friends comment on my videos, so I guess he's won it fair and square. So well done, Josh. Not only have you won a physical prize, but you've also won a copy of Velocidrone. And I didn't say a lot about Velocidrone in the last video, but it's an excellent racing simulator, the best in my opinion because it's so realistic. By the way, we're looking to get some sims set up at the festival so that you can have a try. You've also won, of course, the Radiomaster TX12. It's a great little radio. I hope you enjoy it. And now let's get back to the field so I can talk about the next competition. I'm going to be giving away a full pilot pass to FPV Drone Fest 2021. And to win that, all you have to do is comment on this video, ask a question about FPV Drone Fest, let me know if you're coming, comment anything you like, and you'll be entered into the competition. I'd also really appreciate it if you would share this video, let your FPV friends know, or the groups, and tell them this event is on, tickets are limited, get them involved and come along and have a great time. When we go on this recon mission, I'll be looking to film more content then as well. So look out for that, and I'll see you next time.